What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Flossing may be easier than ever with this. Who flosses as much as they should? Probably no one. Some people do. NPET makes this though. It is the WF03 here, and I think they call it a water pick, and it works kind of like floss. It helps get out all the little stuff between your teeth, and it might just make flossing and cleaning teeth fun. Get the manual right here, and then we have the water pick right here. Now, I've never had one of these. I've always just done it the old-fashioned way, and I am excited about checking out the latest and greatest in technology. First of all, we do have a cord here, and this is like a proprietary cord. Looks like your cordless shaver power cord, and then it's a USB plug on that end, so that's kind of interesting. Then we actually have 4 water pick nozzles here, and what I've noticed is that 2 of them are light blue, one of them is pink, and one is dark blue. So I think they might be different sizes. We'll find out. And then here is the device itself. So if I open it up here, it's actually bigger than I thought. It kind of looks like almost like a spray bottle. Clear blue plastic on this end. We can see here that we have a little door here that opens up where I think you can put in the water. You can see that little pipe in there that'll draw the water up. And then on the front, we have this white plastic, and then the controls. Right down here though, we have the recharging port with a little plug, and I also noticed that they included an additional silicone plug there, so if you lose it, you can make sure that that's nice and watertight. And then we have the buttons that you need here, mode and power button right here. It's got the little on-off symbol on there, and then we have a button right here, and I think that says normal, and that will scroll through normal, soft, and pulse. Normal, soft, pulse. Right there. You can see that LED lights up. You can also see where it will eject the water. So if I take one of these little nozzles here, and see it has a little pipe on the end there, and I think we'll just go ahead and put it in there. Ooh, clicks in. And this little button will release it, it looks like. So there's a little detent that holds it in that little slot right there. Boom, just like that. And now if I hit this power button, it's pumping. All right, so let's get some water in this thing and try it out. So I got this thing full with water, and one of the things that I want to say is that before you turn this on, before you hold this button down, you want to get in the position that you want, because it fires up right away, and this thing shoots, man. It's gonna work. I will show you here, and I think I've got it on the normal mode. Boom, and I will show you. So to prove this to you, I'm gonna go ahead and just hit the button here. And look at that, man. This thing does fire it out. And so if it's cleaning teeth and getting stuff in between, whether it's floss or a toothpick that you would normally use, this thing works great. Normal is definitely pretty powerful, so I'm gonna move it on soft here and tell you what I think. So I think the soft mode is more than I need, because that still pushes right between your teeth. And I will say, don't make the rookie mistake like I do. Keep your finger on this power button, just hovering above it, because once you turn it on and you decide you don't want it anymore, you're just gonna hold it down for a second to turn it off. But if you pull this sucker out, it's gonna shoot water all over you. This thing works great, dude. It's pushing everything out. And my teeth, man, they feel clean. I mean, like you've been flossing, and I think it's more fun. And I don't know if you have sensitive gums, but flossing can be kind of painful, and getting them in there and working your fingers around your teeth and stuff can be a little bit of a pain, but this is super easy. Dude, it's working, man. This thing is awesome. You can see how fast it pumps because the spray bottle is getting near empty, so it's moving a lot of water too. And I think this thing could be one of your best friends for just making it convenient and easy, and especially if you have maybe a loss of dexterity in your hands, or you don't like using those toothpick tools and things like this. This could be a great way just to do it really conveniently and really effectively. So, hey, if oral hygiene is important to you and you have been looking for a water pick that isn't gonna break the bank, check this one out. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.